Welcome to the next step in your journey to a good night's sleep. In this video, we're going to guide you on how to set up and begin using your positive airway pressure or PAP therapy. To get started, unpack all of the items from the bag. You should have the Luna 2 device itself, power supply, tubing, extra filter, and mask. You'll also find the user manual. Keep this in a safe place for later use. Place the device on a flat surface and connect the power adapter to the DC inlet of the main device. Connect the power cord to the power adapter and plug the power cord into the power outlet. On the back left corner of the machine, you'll see where the filter is located. There should be a filter already in place. To open this door, pull the corner out and away. To close, line the door back up against the device and it will snap back into place. The SD card is located in the back of the machine, to the left of where the power cord plugs into the device. The SD card is how we can get data from your machine to see if it is working for you. We will send this information to your doctor and insurance company as requested. If you push on the SD card, it will pop out. You can take the SD card to your doctor appointments in case they want to complete a download from it. Also on the back of the machine is where the tubing will connect. Take the tubing and connect one end to the assembled mask. Both sides of the tubing are the same size. Connect the other end of the tubing to the air outlet of the device. On the right side of the front of the machine is the humidifier. To remove the humidifier chamber, place your thumb on top and fingers on the bottom of this part of the unit. Squeeze down and slide out. Once the chamber is out, you will see a tab on the top right of the chamber. Pull up on the tab to open the water chamber, then fill it with distilled water. Use distilled water only, as tap or drinking water contain mineral deposits that can harm your device. Be sure not to overfill the water chamber. There is a fill line that you should not go over. Do not travel with water in the water chamber, as this can cause water to go into the machine and cause damage. Once the chamber is filled, you can close the lid and slide the chamber back into the device. Now that we've gone through the initial setup process for your PAP device, we can begin to learn more about the usage and settings. To adjust your humidifier settings, turn on the device and turn your knob from left to right to adjust. There are 5 humidity levels available. Blue indicator lights will light up over the knob on the device, with each light indicating the setting number for moisture. If none of the indicator lights light up, it means that the humidifier is turned off. In the morning, if there are just a few water droplets in the tubing, this means the humidifier is set appropriately. If there are a lot of condensed water droplets inside the tubing and/or mask, it means that the humidifier is too high and should be set lower. Nasal dryness means the humidifier level is too low. There are 3 buttons on the top of the device. The button on the left is the mute button. You can press this button to mute the alarm. If the problem is not fixed, the alert will sound again 2 minutes later. You can also use this button to access the QR or QR+ codes for downloads. The middle button is the power button. This turns the PAP on and off manually. The button on the right is the ramp button. Pressing this button during therapy will decrease the pressure to a lower one for comfort for a set amount of time. If you turn the knob to light up the screen while off, you will see the humidifier setting in the box with a water droplet. The box below will have what time setting your ramp is on. At the very bottom, it will show all of your settings like the ramp setting, minimum APAP setting, and maximum APAP setting, along with the maximum ramp time. The 2 bars to the right of the screen will show the pressure setting that the device is set at when the device is on. To access the settings, hold the ramp button down for 3 seconds. The screen display will change to the menu. The first icon on the left side of the screen will take you back to the main screen. If you turn the knob to the right, it will bring the next icon up, which is the initial setup menu. To make changes, click the knob in when it is on that icon. You may scroll through the menu and change settings like date, time, brightness, mask type, ramp time, and setting. As you scroll, you can push knob in to select the setting, then turn the knob to the setting you want to set it. You will push the knob in to confirm the change. After you are done with your selections, you can scroll to the bottom of the menu and select back by pressing the knob in. It will take you back to the 3 icons on the side. The last icon is the iCode menu. You can see your detailed summary of usage and AHI. If you click the knob in, it will let you choose the time you would like to look at. You can choose 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 2, 3, or 6 months of data to display. When you are done, scroll down to the back button to get back to the 3 icons on the left side. You can scroll up to the home icon to get back to your main screen display. Now that you've set up your machine and learned about the settings, it's time to integrate it into comfortable everyday use. This will take a little getting used to, but will greatly help your journey to better sleep and overall quality of life. Starting tonight, begin to ease into a habit of regular use. This is the best way to get the most out of your therapy and keep you on track to better sleep. Over the next few months, your sleep coach will contact you every few weeks to ensure you are adhering to your therapy plan and address any questions or concerns. It's important to schedule a regular time to clean your equipment so that it becomes part of your normal routine. Each morning, remove the mask and wipe it with a damp cloth. Empty the remaining water from the humidifier chamber, then rinse it out and place it back into the unit. It is very important to not leave standing water in the humidifier chamber. This can cause bacteria to grow inside of the chamber. Once a week, you'll need to clean the humidifier chamber and tubing. Remove these items from the unit and wash with a mild detergent and warm water, then rinse well. It is best to do this in the morning to allow enough time to air dry before you use it again at night. The filter on the back of the machine is washable and can be replaced every 6 months. If you have any other questions or concerns, you can call the VieMed Sleep Coaching Center, available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Central Standard Time at 1-844-475-7277 or visit us on the web at viemed.com/sleep.